Alright guys, next topic tayo dito sa ating playlist wherein itong recurring buy, ito yung pinaka-classic na dollar cost averaging na tinatawag or DCA strategy that accumulates crypto regularly pero automated na siya, hindi mo na siya kailangan na i-execute. Yung bot na mismo yung gagawa para sa iyo. So ito yung recurring buys, follows the conventional DCA or ito yung tinatawag na dollar cost averaging. The strategy is to keep buying equal shares of an asset at regular intervals. So regardless kung ano man yung assets na sa current price. So like for example, nagkaroon siya ng up and down. So dito sa illustration na ito, like nakaset ka ng 300 USDT and then nagkaroon ng pagbagsak ng presyo doon sa naset mo na date, ay magkakaroon siya na executions and then if ever man na umakyat and then nakaset ka doon sa pinakamismong interval na iyon, ay mag-automatic siya na DCA. If ever na bumagsak ulit and then sakto doon sa intervals na naset mo, ay mag-accumulate ulit siya guys. So, as mentioned dito, investing this way does not require a big sum as a one-time payment. Pwede mo siyang chop-chopin guys. Like for example, 5 USDT or 10 USDT, and an increase in the value of an asset will bring profit over time. So dito guys, recurring buy, a classic DCA investment strategy that accumulates crypto regularly nga, and allocation, for example, single coin, multi-coin, meron naman dito sa application ni OKX. Yung pag-set dito guys ng pinaka-intervals or frequency and time, pwede mo siyang iset ng hourly, daily, weekly, and monthly guys. So, pwede nating i-explore sa ating application. So, dito pa rin guys, sa may trade and then trading bots. Ayan. And then, hanapin mo lang dito sa pinakababa, advanced bots, which is itong recurring buy. Ayan. And then, you can just set dito, So, for example, buy BTC gamit 2 USDT. Daily, set mo lang yung pinaka-time. And then, yung available na USDT, kailangan meron ka dyan kasi dyan yan madideduct. And then, you can also set yung pinaka-advanced settings, which is BTC recurring buy. And then, yung buy price range, pwede mo rin iset dito guys. So, yun. Sa desktop naman, you can just explore dito. So, dito naman guys sa desktop, punta lang sa trade. And then, trading bots and create bot guys. Pwede naman dito sa may spot ulit. And then, doon ulit sa may tools, So, dito sa tools, select mo lang itong tools. And then, puntahan mo lang itong trading bots. And then, dito makikita mo na yung recurring buy, guys, ito. So, select mo lang ito. And then, set up mo lang dito yung pinaka-frequency. And then, kung ano yung crypto na bibilhin mo, guys, So, ganun lang siya dito, guys, kasimple. Pwede naman na dalawang crypto. And you can select yung pinaka-local time. Yung pinaka-frequency, pwedeng hourly, daily, weekly, or monthly guys, So, dito, pwede kang mag-set ng like 4 USDT. Ayan, may available dito. Example, 4 USDT, And kung isa lang, like for example, Ethereum, ayan, so 2 USDT yung pinaka-minimum, And you can just set naman dito like weekly, and then kung anong date mo, pipiliin dito, Sa hourly naman, kung 1 hour, 4 hours, 8 hours, etc. Monthly, you can set kung anong day, So, mas okay ito kasi automated na siya na mag-execute on your behalf. Hindi mo na siya kailangan puntahan once na ma-set mo dito and ikaw mismo yung mag-execute. Pero this time, automated na siya and you can just utilize itong recurring buy, guys. So, next discussion natin, guys, you can just check naman ng video natin dito sa ating playlist,